Yes, now we come to government response. Assess climate change impact on different sectors and localities based on climate change scenarios and sea level rise for specific region. We know that up to 2000 years or 2100, sea level can rise in average 1 meters, or temperature will rise about 3 degrees Celsius as the first rise in Vietnam. So we will have very specific scenario for specific region and sector, and based on the scenario, the action plan will be built in detail. And we will carry out in-depth study to assess the threats, vulnerability, and adaptation at local level in specific region, particularly those are sensitive and vulnerable. And a desk study initiated on gender and climate change with UNDP support will provide background and suggest future research as well as action to be taken to integrate gender into NTP and its implementation. And UNDP, I would like to thank you, UNDP support for the study about gender and climate in Vietnam and support me to participate in this Congress. And future challenge, you can see here some future plan. We will take gender and climate change awareness raising and incorporation of gender and climate change consideration into political and administrative decision making. And we will gender mainstreaming into action plan for climate change adaptation of ministry and provinces. We will build and issues guidelines for doing this. And allocation of resources, financial and human, for gender research and engagement action in climate change adaptation and activities. So I try to shorten my talk and focus on some specific action in Vietnam. If you have any question, you can.
Thank you very much. So maybe perhaps just maybe, thank you very much for keeping the time. Actually, it was shorter than what we requested. Quickly, if you have any comments, questions for his presentation so that we don't lose the momentum. Anything, please? Can you come up here, please, and present?
Just a point of clarification. We understand that there are two Vietnams, North and South. So, So clarification only.
No, now only one Vietnam. No,
one
North
Vietnam,
and
no
South,
more.
yes.
Okay. So there's no problem about. No, the point is the government really have a GAD plan? That's it.
That's the Gender Action Plan, your National Gender Action Plan, right?
Yes, now we build this gender action plan.
About land titling, where's the problem? I mean, like, if you say so many men have land titles, but they are married men, right? If they die, if the title is in his name and he dies ahead of me, what happens to the title?
Problem here is before in the land law, there are no point to show that a woman have a name in the title of land. But from 2003, we changed our land law.
Okay.
And now in the family land tenure, there are two names, and wife and husband.
Okay.
Because of that, now from 2003 in Vietnam, the woman has name in the land tenure certificate increasing sharply.
Okay, because in the Philippines, that is still part of our problem with the DAR, which they're changing. If the land title is, if the land title of my land is Gerard Ricken married to Remy Ricken, I am not part of the title, because married to me is a description of my husband. So we're trying to change it to Gerard and Remy Ricken. I think, is that what's happening?
Yes,
with you?
the same in Vietnam now in the title wife and husband.
Thank you.
Yes.
So maybe one more question, please.
Thank you very much. I'm from Indonesia, Mona, and we are having projects in tsunami area in Aceh. I'd just like to ask, in connection of gender and climate change programs in Vietnam, how does your government disseminate it or implement it in your national policy about this? Can you just, maybe we can take a sample from you, because we are in Indonesia still fighting for that. Thank you.
Yeah, I think this, thank you for very good question. You are already familiar with the NAPA, National Adaptation Plan of Action. And many countries already built NAPA. But we in Vietnam, we take a step higher. We build a national target program. Why it called target program? Here we have a concrete target, and our government assign concrete fund for implement and to achieve the specific target. So our government assign money for implement this program. So I think that is because Vietnam is one of the most affected by climate change, and we see that adaptation for climate change not only is a disaster risk reduction. We try to clarify. On one hand is disaster. If there are no climate change, disaster every year occur. But on the other hand, climate change is the other issues, a longer view. So because of that, our government pay much attention for this.
Thank you very much. So maybe another round of applause for Mr. Tang. So may I ask Babette to come next, please?